How's it going, tubers? It's me, AMR. Welcome to another one of my unboxing videos. This video, I'm unboxing another pair of headphones. So here we go. If you can remember, my old fans that have been with me for a long time, I unboxed Key wireless headphones, and them headphones are destroyed by accident. I don't know how I did it, but they are destroyed because one of the buttons, power button, got jammed in. I tried opening it, and I found out the whole power button is detached. Here are the headphones that I got. The person that I got this headphones from on eBay is absolutely amazing. Seriously, I'm gonna put a link to the person's seller account on eBay down in the description below. Please, every single one of you, go and see what she's got to offer. The link to these headphones especially, I will put down in the link in the description below. Seriously, just go on there, and if you want to buy these headphones, I suggest you buy from this person. Excellent delivery, excellent everything. Seriously, check out other items out as well. It's just too good to be true. I reckon the only one, there's only a couple of decent sellers left on eBay, since the rest are from Hong Kong and China. Seriously, I suggest you go and have a look at what this person's got to offer. And if you want to like these headphones, go and get them right from them. I completely forgot the name of these headphones now. All it says here is earphones. They've got a certain name, but since I'm recording on my phone, I forgot the name. Well, the name's in the title anyway. So here we go. Sliding the box open and see how it's like from the inside. Wow, I'm in love with the case of these headphones. Seriously, the case itself just looks amazing, and so far so good. Here it is, just getting out this case right now. They look beautiful in that case. They look like some, I don't know, it looks like some little gadget or something. It just look, that case alone is beautiful. That case, by the way, is the charger as well. So I have a feeling, just like my previous headphones, the TWS, well, this is called a TWS as well. They were called TWS. Wow, I'm so bad in the name, but previous unboxing video, them headphones I'm going to use for basically just watching anime on my phone in the night, like I always do. But these headphones I'm going to use for gym. The reason why I will show you in a minute, but let me go further into the unboxing, see what's in here. So under this, you have a micro USB cable with some extra in-ear plastic. I think this is a bigger size in there. And what you also have in here is the instruction manual. Let me just have a quick peek what's in here. Right, the main thing I think is over here. As you can have, if you can have a quick look on that, pause the video, you can read it if you want. That's the simple instructions of what you get. Everything else, there's nothing else in the box. So let me just open the box itself. I believe this might be magnetic. I think it is. Let me just flip it open. There we go. And the headphones itself, they look just amazing, seriously. And here we go. Wow, they are tiny. That's what I'm loving about them. Look at them, they're just tiny. Just like that. I think to turn them on, it's got a button. That's a button. There you go. You got a bit of charge in it, and you have to turn them both on, like always, just like the counterfeit AirPods that I unboxed before. I'm probably sorry, I forgot the name. So now that's showing that they're both paired, and once I turn on my phone, it's going to be easy as to turn the Bluetooth on and connect them. And I believe that this case is charged by the micro USB, and it's right here. And I'm absolutely loving the fact that it's got an on and off button. So if I press on, is anything going to happen? Yeah, there you go. I think, wow, this is fully charged. It's fully charged. I think that's basically the dots of the charging power. So these are magnetic. All you do is just slot them inside there, and basically it's going to start charging. Right, the reason why I said I want to use these for gym is because they're in-ear. However, the counterfeit AirPods that unboxed, last unboxing headphones, they are not in ear, and they often slip off if you're flipping jumping around and stuff like that. That's one thing I don't like about them. But these, since they're in ear, they got less likely of a chance to slip out. But however, like I said, I've just unboxed this, and I have no idea the quality and everything like that. I have no idea about them. But if you in the comment section below, you can ask me any question you want of these headphones, of this product, and I will be commenting below, because after this video I'm going to be using these headphones in the gym, at home, everywhere, just to test them out. So yeah, like I said, guys, do not forget to visit the person's seller account on eBay. I will be linking them below. Absolutely amazing person, amazing products, amazing service. I ordered these on Sunday and I got them on Tuesday. Seriously, that is just service for me. It's like next day delivery. Obviously, Sunday, everything's closed. But, you know, it's like I ordered it on Monday and I got it the next day. Amazing person, guys. Don't forget to view that person's account. Don't forget to view that person's listings and stuff like that, right? List her link in the description below. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And that's all from me. Peace out.